What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we got a big one, literally. We got this here behind me. This is the Savior Equipment, what is it? Collapsible rack, like a gun rack. So it's a mobile one as well. So this is something, as you can see, it fits in this box here. We're gonna unbox it. You can basically take to the range, set all your guns on it. You can set up to about, I think, 8 guns on it. And as well, you can use it for storage, at your house or basement, wherever else you might be working on stuff. Definitely use a safe though. That's more practical. But if you do have maybe airsoft guns or something too, like I do, you can go ahead and put those on here. So with that, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed and see what we got. All right, let's see. All right, like I said, this is a little bit bigger, so I might be a little bit off screen here, but you're gonna be able to see what's coming out. So we got some foam. I'm gonna pull this whole thing out. There we go. And of course, we had to get the FDE color version here. And you can see these are all the rest to put your firearms on there, or airsoft guns or whatever. And yeah, let me get the rest of this off here, see if we have to put this together or not. Another thing that's cool, I'll show you real quick. I'll cut up this box on the inside for all these Savior Equipment packaging, is they give you some free targets. So again, don't throw your cardboard away right away, because boom, look at that. You actually got a target here. And then if you look at the bottom part, they give you some targets there as well. So take those to your next outdoor range day. You got some cardboard to use before you go and recycle that. So it's pretty nice. All right, let's get back to the main thing here. I'm gonna take all this cardboard off, and it did have this big box here. I don't think anything's in here, but I'll open it, double check. And yeah, there's nothing in there. It was just a spacer for air, I guess. All right, it took me a second to figure this out off camera, so that way I wasn't too handicapped in front of you guys. But there's a pin right here on the side. You pull that out like so, and that releases this to move. So then now you can go ahead and unfold it like so. And from there, these racks, you can actually, I'll show you here, you can pull these tabs here like this, and this will come off, and there's like some little cardboard here protecting it. And this allows you to then flip this whichever way you want. So that way it should go this way. So that way the butt or stock or brace lands in it here. And then you can actually put these back on in the correct orientation here. So I'm gonna put it like that. And then same thing for these up here. You're gonna pinch them, pop it up. And actually I think I might have to move it back a little bit. Takes a little bit to get used to here, but I see how this is gonna work, and I think it's gonna work great. So then move it like this, drop her back in like that, and then we can extend this back out again like that. So then now you're ready to go ahead. You can put one here, 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 and then if you want it shorter, you can move this whole thing up to this rack here. So just like this, pop it off. So if you have a shorter barrel or something short, MP5 or some other shorter PCC, now you can put it there and you should be good. So just to demonstrate how that works again, you have this little lever tab button on both sides. So you push them inward. You can then pop this straight off. I'm gonna remove the cardboard that was protecting the paint. And then now you can turn it this way, so that way it's in holder mode. We're gonna push those tabs back in on both of them. And then we can drop it back down in, and then now it's locked and secure. So now, as you can see, I got it set up here at the gun shop. So when the homies come in with their guns or airsoft guns, they can go ahead and set it on the rack here, quickly accessible if they need it. And at the same time, keeps everything off the ground here. You can even take this if you're going to like an outdoor range day. Since this collapses and folds up so nicely, you can put it in the back of your truck, car, and then when you got, all your firearms out on the range or airsoft guns, you can simply whip this out, put everything on it, and it keeps everything off the ground and looks good. So I like the FDE color. This also comes in black, and I picked this one up on Amazon for about $100, but from what I can see, you can adjust these. Again, I got, some shorter ones here, as well as some 16-inch full size on the other size here. So it'll accommodate basically any size rifle or, short barreled PCC that you have. pretty nifty. And, you know, it's made with quality. It's Savior Equipment. It's a great name in the industry. So, yeah, I'd give this, you know, a 10 out of 10. Be cool if it was cheaper, but $100 ain't bad. Seems worth it. So that does it for this video here today. I hope this was helpful, going over the Savior Equipment collapsible rack that you could take to the outdoor range or store some things in your gun shop or gun store if you need to for quick access. Again, obviously a safe is much better to have. Keep your firearms stored properly, everyone. But at the same time, hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that, everybody. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everyone.